Top 5 International Trips for Beginners. Traveling is a wonderful and exciting opportunity to encounter new things outside of your typical comfort zone. However, traveling abroad for the first time can be quite thrilling and terrifying. The world is so vast and there are so many destinations to see, but there are a few that are best for first-time international visitors. Welcome back to the Traveling Guide. Today we will be going over our top 5 picks for the international trips for beginners.
If you're a fan of our videos, be sure to subscribe to the Travel Guide and ring the bell to be notified whenever we post a video.
Number 5. Greece. Greece, the most southerly nation in Europe, has a lengthy coastline and a sizable number of islands. It must be said that Greece is an extremely family-friendly destination. The calm Mediterranean Sea is great for swimming. Locals are welcoming and many activities can be customized for young travelers. It is a picturesque nation known for its whitewashed villas, clear skies, and sandy beaches, as well as for its diversified culture. You can indulge in mouth-watering Mediterranean cuisine, gorgeous sunsets, and thriving nightlife. When visiting Greece for the first time, be sure to stop by the well-known towns of Athens, Santorini, and Mykonos. Spend the day unwinding on one of their stunning beaches or hiking through the mountains. Greece is a great destination for first-time international travelers. Number 4. Japan. Japan is an excellent starting point for first-time overseas travel because of its unique culture, delectable cuisine, advanced technology, and fantastic attractions. It is one of the world's cleanest, safest, and most well-organized countries. Alongside towering buildings, swift bullet trains, eccentric pop culture, and modern architecture, there are additionally tranquil gardens, temples, shrines, and traditional practices. Visitors from all around the world come to see the cherry blossoms. The best areas for accommodations in Japan are Tokyo, Shinjuku, and Ginza. Japan provides a wide range of exclusive experiences that are unavailable anywhere else. Number 3. France. France is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world and a fantastic choice for a first international trip because of its magnificent works of art and architecture. World-class museums, the Eiffel Tower, castles, beautiful beaches, and stunning natural scenery. It also offers excellent food, superb wine, and a culture that permeates every city and small town. You may also enjoy a fantastic shopping experience in any of the major cities, and there are many to choose from. Particularly in Paris, there are many boutiques of all types, including high-end stores and a vast network of designer outlets. With all that France has to offer, it should come as no surprise that everyone wants to visit. So, be sure to include France on your bucket list. Number 2. Mexico. Mexico is a cultural hub and unquestionably one of the top destinations in North America. Mexico City is an excellent choice for your first international trip because it is competitive with other top-tier cities in terms of amenities, culture, and cuisine, while being less expensive. It is a huge, expansive metropolis with distinctive areas, and there are many wonderful things to do here. Mexico is a fantastic destination, and the people are some of the friendliest in the world. With everything from Mayan ruins and lush jungles to stunning Pacific Coast beaches, Mexico is a vibrant, colorful country with some diverse cultures and stunning natural surroundings. You can enjoy lounging at a 5-star resort in Cancun, exploring the Mayan ruins in Quintana Roo, or swimming in some of the beautiful beaches. And number 1, United Kingdom. For first-time travelers overseas, United Kingdom offers a wide range of possibilities. Actually, it's among the most well-liked travel spots in the entire world, and there are tons of things to do. If you're visiting the UK for the first time, you'll probably go to London, which has a number of things to see and do. Since everyone speaks English and there isn't any culture shock, the United Kingdom is a natural choice for many first-time international tourists. Yet it still feels like a completely different country. Additionally, you can go to the city's famous sites, including the Tower of London, Big Ben, and Westminster Abbey. The United Kingdom is home to many things like the royal family, Buckingham Palace, James Bond, regional breweries, and hospitable rural pubs. The best museums and art galleries in the world are also available here, and they are all free. Visiting new areas is always exciting because it gives you the chance to discover and learn something new. Choosing the best for your first international trip will make the trip more enjoyable and seamless. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our top 5 picks for international trips for beginners.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.